I'll be showing you how to change the system language on your Mac. So if you want your Mac to show the menus and the entire system in a different language, simply go to System Settings. You can do that by clicking on the system icon on the dock, or you can click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings. On the System Settings window, simply scroll on the left-hand side and make sure General is selected. It's normally selected by default, but if it's not, just go ahead and select General. And then under General, go to Language and Region. Click on that, and you should see Preferred Languages list. Now, the language at the top here, which says Primary, is going to be your Mac's primary language. So that's the currently active language. You can switch to a different language from one of the languages in the list here. So for instance, if I want French, I just have to click on French. And then once I click on French and I restart my computer, that's going to change the system language to French. So I can do the same for Kiswahili, for Italian. And if the language I want to change to is not in this list, I can add a language by clicking on this plus icon. And that allows me to add from any of these available languages that I can use on my Mac. So I can scroll, it's a long list of languages. Plenty of languages you can use on your Mac. So for instance, if I want to use Espanol, Spanish, Spain, I can just select that, click on add, and then it's going to ask me, would you like to use Spanish as your primary language? And I can choose if I want to change to Spanish right now by clicking on that, or I can just add it to the list and continue using English. Mainly depends on what I want, really. But basically, that's how to change the language on your Mac. So as soon as you restart your Mac, that's going to change the language. Now, of course, I want to use English, so I'll just stick to English. And that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.